In today's fast-paced world, first impressions matter. Your ID cards should be as sharp, professional, and secure as the people who wear them. Introducing IDP EasyCapture, the streamlined employee photo collection system built for simplicity, quality, and control. Designed by IDP Americas, this purpose-built system lets administrators collect, manage, and verify employee photos with minimal hassle. The result? Crisp, consistent images, every time, ready for your ID card production workflow. Here's what makes EasyCapture stand out. User-friendly interface. Capture photos with just a few clicks. Even non-tech users can get professional results. Consistent quality. Standardized lighting, framing, and resolution to ensure every photo meets badge standards. Secure management. Photos are stored securely with access controls and audit capability. Seamless workflow integration. Works with existing badge printing systems from IDP. No need to overhaul infrastructure. Scalable solution. Whether you have 10 new employees or 10,000, EasyCapture grows with you. Step into a smarter, smoother, more secure way to manage employee photos. Learn more at idpamericas.com/EasyCapture and discover how EasyCapture can transform your badge issuance process. IDP EasyCapture,